Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now. Yes.
Hey, what do you mean by a self-paced course?
Well, the course material is available in the form of video lectures. And there are multiple practice problems that come along as well. So, you can access all of it anywhere, anytime. And they are available to you for lifetime.
No way!
Oh, yes way. Don't delay and enroll now.
Geeks learning.
Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks Practice. This is Abhinav, and today we are back with the new problem of the day for today. First of all, before starting, please let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to you all. Hi, hi, Shiv, hi, Rishit, hi, Ganesh, hi. How are you all? Oh, you are from HBTU second year ECE. क्या नाम है भाई? Oh, great. Hi, Rishit. Hi. So, how was the problem today? कैसा रहा? Was it good? Hmm? ग्रेट ग्रेट ठीक है सो स्टार्ट करते हैं यार लेट्स हैव इट सर आर यू करेंटली इन एचबीटीयू और पास आउट मुझे जानते नहीं क्या यार तुम अगर एचबीटीयू से हो सो यू शुड लाइक तुमने कभी कॉलेज में नहीं देखा मुझे हम्म हम्म हाँ सो मैं अभी थर्ड ईयर में हूँ ओके थर्ड ईयर आईटी So, given a string S of length n containing only lowercase alphabets, you are also given a permutation P of length n containing integers from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, in I plus 1th days you pick pi value of the permutation and you replace. So basically हम बताता हूँ हो क्या रहा है. You are initially given with a string. Okay, so initially आपको एक string दे रखी है. Let's say that the string is S. ओके, ये दिया हुआ है, and you are given with some arrays. Okay, we are going with the array. Let's say array ARR. Okay, that is given to you. Let's say it is like this: 1, 4, 6, 5, 3. Okay, so this is there's an array given to you and there's a string given to you. What you have to do is that you have to replace the element or the character of the string which is at this index to a question mark. And by doing this thing, what you have to do is you have to create a string where no two adjacent characters are same. No two adjacent characters are same. You can see here key. ये मैसेजेस क्यों डिलीट कर रहे हो यार? मैसेज डिलीट हो रहे हैं या फिर ठीक है? So this is the thing. Okay. Now, if you will see here, what we will do is you have to replace the character present at that index with a question mark. And by doing this thing, what you have to do is you have to ensure that there should no adjacent element with same character. दो adjacent elements का वैल्यू सेम नहीं होना चाहिए. लाइक यहाँ पे सी सी है, ए है, ए है. दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज. ठीक है? ऐसे कितने मिनिमम ऑपरेशन यू हैव टू डू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनिशियली यू विल चेक कि हाउ मेनी सच इंडेक्सेस आर देयर. बताओ कितनी ऐसी इंडेक्सेस हैं जहां पर वी हैव एडजेसेंट कैरेक्टर सेम. Like it's here. There are 3 such places where adjacent or the next element, next character is equal to the current character. ठीक है? Great receipt. Okay. Now we have to make it 0. हमें इसे 3 से 0 करना है. What I will do is I will first change this index 1 with question mark. Okay. Sir, love your teaching style, Avasam. Thank you, yaar. So first the index is 1. Means you have to change the character at index 1 to a question mark. Okay. So this will be changed to a question mark. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, when this character is changed to a question mark, one such pair is reduced. One such pair is reduced. Reduce हुआ ना? Now this 3 becomes 2. Because that question mark was having a numbers. So what we will do is, as we will go on with the array, and if we have the same numbers that we are changing with the question mark, I will reduce the value of t. So first of all, let's find the value of t. T hai kya in starting. Okay. So see, what I will do is, I will write here first of all a t or a p, whatever. Like let's have here something like this. Int count. Count is 0. Okay. Now I will simply iterate through the string. Okay, and -1. And if the character at I is equal to the character at I plus 1, that means there is such array, there is such pair I will make C plus plus. Okay. Now what I will do is, if this C is 0, if C is 0, that means there is no such already fine. I will simply return 0. I will simply return 0. Okay. Now, in the next place, what I will do is else, if it is not 0. So we will try to replace that character with a question mark. Try to replace that character with a question mark. अब देखो दो चीजें होंगी, ठीक है? Let's say string is like this: A B. Okay. अभी how many such pair is there? Only one pair is there. So अगर हम इसे like if I will replace this A with a question mark, so this one pair got gone because the character which we are changing with question mark, that was making a pair with the previous character. तो अगर वो कैरेक्टर प्रीवियस कैरेक्टर के साथ एक पेयर बना रहा है, that means will be decreased. So what I will do is कि if first of all I will iterate through the index of the array. Let's have that size, ठीक है? And I will have the current value, that the current x is equal to a error of I, ठीक है? Now if the current value, first of all I will write कि x should be greater than 0. अगर x greater than 0 है और अगर करंट x की वैल्यू -1 के इक्वल है, दैट मींस इट इज मेकिंग अ पेयर विद द प्रीवियस एलिमेंट. और अगर वो चेंज हो जाएगा टू अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, इफ दैट विल बी चेंज टू अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, दैट मींस वन पेयर विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. सो आई विल मेक c minus minus. Similar at the same case, if x is less than n and is voice clear now? अब क्लियर है? Is it clear now, Astha? Okay. Let me first code the approach. ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या हो गया यार? It's not running. गाइस कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई आई थिंक जीएफजी एडिटर में. एक बार कोड रिफ्रेश कर लेता हूँ. लाइक इट्स नॉट सबमिटिंग. हाँ हो गया. सो कोई प्रॉब्लम थी आई थिंक. फाइन. नाउ इट गॉट सबमिटेड. ओके. See what we are doing. Okay, let's take an example, and based on that example, what I will do is I will solve this problem. Okay, so let's take an example of this. Okay, let's say this is the example. Now guys, tell me what will be the value of C? Means how many such indices are there such that it is equal to the next index. Tell me. How many such indices are there that the character is equal to the next character? One, two, three. थ्री है ठीक है now see what I'm doing is I'm first of all counting this thing ठीक है now what I'm doing if the C is 0 means already there is no repeating characters I'm simply returning 0 कि 0 operations are required no extra operations 0 operations are required okay? That is the first thing second thing is what I will do is कि I will move to the array एरे में क्या बोल रहा है एरे में यू आर गिवन विद अ इंडेक्स लेट्स से पहली इंडेक्स है एरे की x नाउ इट्स सेइंग कि यू हैव टू चेंज दैट x वाला इंडेक्स टू अ क्वेश्चन मार्क और उसे बोल रहा है कि आपको कितने मिनिमम ऑपरेशन करने पड़ेंगे उस एरे के थ्रू सो दैट द कंप्लीट एरे कन्वर्टेड टू अ एरे व्हिच डजंट हैव डुप्लीकेट कैरेक्टर्स और एडजेसेंट डुप्लीकेट कैरेक्टर्स ओके सो सी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं कि लेट्स से हमारे एरे में आया index number let's say in our array it gives index number 2 so now I am trying to find ki when I will replace this index number 2 with a question mark so how much C will be decreased because at the last we have to make our C 0 ki no two pairs will be there no pairs will be there I have to make my C 0 tell me guys कि अगर मैं इसे क्वेश्चन मार्क कर दूं so how many pairs will be decreased this pair will be decreased ये pair चला जाएगा okay great so that is why I am checking अब let's say कि मैं इसको क्वेश्चन मार्क कर दूं then फिर क्या होगा then how many pairs are decreased then 2 pairs are decreased पीछे वाला भी 5 6 also and 6 7 also okay that is what I am checking like if we are replacing the character at index number x यहाँ पे देखो if we are replacing the character at index number x so before replacing I am checking if that character is equal to its previous character means a pair will be decreased to C minus minus one pair will be decreased and if that character is also equal to its next character means एक और पेयर डिक्रीज होगा जस्ट लाइक हियर यहां पर क्या था इट वाज जस्ट इक्वल टू द प्रीवियस नेक्स्ट एक पेयर वाज डिक्रीज यहां पर क्या इट वाज इक्वल टू इट्स प्रीवियस वन आल्सो एंड टू इट्स नेक्स्ट वन आल्सो ठीक है दिस इज द थिंग ये यहां पर होगा समझ रहे हो C minus minus C minus minus. And at the last, whenever the C will become 0, that means we have done with the all the replacements and we break. If you guys want, I can send you the code also and you guys can have a look on it. Okay? This is the code. This is the basic code. The very basic thing. Okay? So it was the, if we talk about a time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity for this is simply order of n and space complex is order of 1 we are not using an excess space okay this answer is basically nothing how many things are done no यहाँ पे देखो है if you see the question ना this is question marks are not considered if you will see here it is saying if s is not equal to question mark and then you have to compare if question marks are not compared only the characters okay क्वेश्चन मार्क्स आर नॉट कंपेयर. गॉट इट? क्वेश्चन मार्क्स कंपेयर नहीं होंगे, हमारे काउंट नहीं होंगे, दे विल नॉट बी काउंटेड. Okay, fine. Is it clear? So if you guys want, like, I can send you the link. Please guys, please ask if you want me to take another example. So it's a quite tricky problem. It's a quite tricky problem. Not much, but not quite tricky. So like you have to invest some time to it. So if you want, I can send you the code. Like how I can send actually GFG ID is quite currently out of base. So I can give you, like, I can send you code from here. मैं यहाँ से आपको कोड भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है. इसमें यार लिंक कहाँ से आ जाएगा? ओके हाँ, ये रहा. ओके ओके, सो दिस इज द लिंक. मैं एक बार शेयर कर देता हूँ. दिस इज द लिंक गाइस, ओके, ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम, ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर लिंक. तो आप लोग इसको चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So fine. It was quite confusing, I know. Please ask if you have any doubts. I'm again explaining everything, okay? Like in this case, what will happen is, basically the thing is, what is happening is, whenever you are replacing a question mark, which is having a character before it also, and which is having a character after it also, so two pairs will be decreased. And ultimately, you want to decrease your pairs from n to 0. So what I'm doing is I'm checking whenever I am replacing a number with question mark, how many pairs it is affecting, कितने pairs को कम कर रहा है. तो मतलब if it is equal to the next character, तो मतलब एक pair तो वो कम हो गया, as previous two pairs are. So for both the pairs, like the previous element also we are checking and next element also we are checking. Okay. So I've sent the code. Please go through it because it's quite complex. I know the logic is quite complex. Maybe you will get in two flows, means in two iterations. So I call it iterations. कि maybe आपको पहली बार में जब आप देखो आपको क्वेश्चन ना समझ में आए, when you will do it twice, thrice, you will get the approach. Okay. I've sent the code. This is the video. Thank you. I hope that you have got this particular solution. Okay. So that was all for today, guys. Let's meet tomorrow with the next problem of the day on Sunday. Okay. Let me check कौन सी है कल. Sunday को कौन सी है कल? It's like आज हो गया ना Sunday. Prime list. So it's a linked list problem and it's a linked list problem. Great. और prime linked list कुछ है, ठीक है? So we will solve it tomorrow. Okay. Till then, thanks. Bye. Happy coding. GFG कर लो, हो जाएगा.